due to the torture and harassment created, the trouble they faced in their in-laws' house. मलकन्ने या गांवान केपें कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीत जाल्ली खबर. वनिता गांवकर म्हणटा ती बायल 23-year-old गर्ल, शी वॉज मॅरीड. ताका म्हणटा ते लग्नाचें सूख सोड. थोड्याच दिसांनी ताका टॉर्चर स्टार्ट जालो. घरा कडेन शी वॉज हॅरेस्ड, टॉर्चर्ड by her husband Videsh Gaonkar, by her mother-in-law, by her father-in-law, and she was tortured only because of the money which she was supposed to avail, which she was supposed to get. That is Ladli Laxmi scheme, which I say it's a dowry death scheme. Vanita consumed phenol, pesticide घेतले कित्याक that trauma, that mental torture what she was going, she could not take it. And why there was harassment? ते 1 लाख रुपया लागून. गव्हर्मेंटान मेकॅनिझम प्रोटेक्शनूय दिवपाक आशिल्लें. गव्हर्मेंटाक हेंय चिंतपाक जाय 1 लाख दिता जाल्यार फाल्यां ताजे एडवांटेजीस आनी डिसएडवांटेजीस देखून आसा म्हणून. हांव भाजपा सरकाराक चड करून बाब पार्सेकर जो CM आसा ताका सांगूंक सोदतां, बाबा ही स्कीम डिसकंटिन्यू कर. स्टॉप दिस स्कीम. आय एम नॉट अगेन्स्ट दोज पुअर फॅमिलीज or those girls who are supposed to get 1 lakh, who have got 1 lakh. No. What is it?
You can remove the money after 18 years. 18 years, 51.
एज्युकेशनाचेर आसा.
Anything.
बरें. मागीर एज्युकेशनाचेर, करियर शेपिंगाचेर आसा, लायक टेलरिंग, नर्सिंग एंड ऑल. सो हांव म्हणटा ती तेजेर कितले मेळटा, 1 लाख मेळटा जाल्यार, ताजेर 1 लाख मेळटा जाल्यार ती स्कीम 2 लाखाची कर, पूण ही स्कीम बंद कर. जे लोकांक त्रास जाता, लोकांचे चलयो मरून वता, आमी